Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. So today I want to talk about 6 reasons to wait for the iPhone 14 and reasons to not to. So if you are thinking about upgrading your phone, you have got a ton of options to ship through. The iPhone 13 series and iPhone 12 series represent the top of the line, but Apple's got plenty of other devices that are worthy of your attention, including the iPhone SE 3, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone SE 2, and iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR. So, the iPhone 13 series has some serious upgrades on board, but we could see much bigger changes come to the iPhone line in 2022 that puts those of you in the market for a new phone in a tough position. Buy a new device right now or wait. So iPhone 14 rumors. We are still a long way out from Apple's 2022 iPhone announcements, but we have already seen a ton of credible rumors emerge. Apple is widely expected to release for new iPhone 14 models in 2022, though the company will reportedly ditch the iPhone mini. So iPhone 12 Max or iPhone 14, the color is blue, black, midnight, purple, red, and white starlight. So iPhone Pro or iPhone Pro 13, iPhone 14 Pro Max is graphite, gold, purple, and silver. So we have also heard that Apple could remove the physical SIM and slot iPhone models as early as this reason. Okay. iPhone, and this guide will take you through the best reason to wait for the iPhone 14 series and the best reason to go with another device long before the iPhone 14 release date.